Oregon, almost 1,000 new cases reported today, as we just mentioned. We're also seeing growing concern over the rise in variant cases of COVID.
Let's go down to our Lisa Balick, who's live in downtown Portland with the race to track those different strains because there is concern about those variants. Lisa?
Yeah, absolutely. The variants spread very quickly, much more quickly than the regular type of COVID. And we're seeing an increase in the cases here. Again, keep in mind, most people still not vaccinated.
Determine your eligibility, we'll say yes.
While hundreds of thousands of Oregonians are still trying to get a COVID shot, there are also many who say they don't want it, or they're still not sure.
I would rather wait till it's just safer. You know, it seems safer, not as rushed, and just like a bunch of, corporations just trying to make a quick buck,
And that's a problem when Oregon, like other states, is battling COVID variants, virus mutations.
They spread more rapidly. And so you end up with more cases because of some of these variants.
Oregon has discovered almost 750 patients infected with a COVID variant of concern. Doctors say the variants make people sicker.
With more people infected, there are going to be more cases, and there are going to be more people hospitalized as a result.
The governor has warned if hospitals fill up, businesses would be shut down again. The way to shut down the variants is with more people being vaccinated. The vaccines do provide protection against the variants. But COVID fatigue and the false sense that the threat is over is causing more people to skip social distancing and masking. And for those with a first shot thinking about skipping the second, here's why it's a bad idea.
The studies show that your immune system works much better in building antibodies if you get both doses. And that's where you get the 94 to 95% effectiveness. Now, if you are still trying to find a shot, you can actually get one as soon as tonight up in Clark County. There are appointments available in Ridgefield at the drive-through mass clinic there at the fairgrounds. Go on to thecoin.com. We have a link to the website. Also, down in Salem, there are so many appointments for starting tomorrow for the next few days through Salem Health. Again, we have links at coin.com. Back to you.
And Lisa, one more source is you. You've been tweeting about these openings, so I want to let our viewers know to follow you on Twitter if they want to follow that as well.
Absolutely.